realized that he's the star, and then I couldn't believe it.
He keeps bullying me, by the way.
I don't. He's lying.
I have no words to actually compliment you on Yug because he sounds amazing. How proud are you to watch your son's debut in a legendary film like that? कैसे feel कर रहे हैं आप?
First of all, namaskar. Thank you, kids. Yeah, I feel very proud because when he started dubbing, and I was told that he would start his rehearsals, and तो मुझे वहाँ से फ़ोन आया कि उसकी रिहर्सल्स जो फर्स्ट डे था, बट ही डिड सो वेल दैट उसमें से कुछ टेक्स एक्चुअली रख रहे हैं.
Wow.
And he called me up. He took permission of the technicians and everybody, and he said, "Can I make my father hear what I've dubbed?" And he called me up on a WhatsApp call, and he
Speaker पे
made
रख के,
speaker पे रख के सुनाया, and that felt so nice.
Oh my God, that is so thoughtful, Yug. Yug, I know I was going to come to you later, but I have to ask you. I know this is a very, very, very run-of-the-mill question, but how inspired are you from your dad? Because we all are, right? But आपको पहली बार कैसे एहसास हुआ कि आप अजय देवगन के बेटे हैं और क्या एक्शन करते हैं मेरे पापा?
I mean, I love him. Everyone loves him. He inspires me a lot, and yeah, I don't know what to say.
Do you remember that first action sequence you saw of dad on screen and you said, "Oh my God, now
I
my..."
didn't know it was him.
What?
Yeah, I didn't
Which
know.
movie was it?
I don't remember, but I didn't know it was him. And then I realized that he's the star, and then I couldn't believe it.
देखो टिपिकली हम लड़कियां घर पे बैठ के एक मूवी से डांस सीक्वेंस को कॉपी करते हैं एंड बॉयज यूजुअली लाइक टू फाइट इट आउट इवन इफ इट्स इन थिन एयर विद नोबडी इन साइट. Did you ever copy dad's action?
All the time.
Do you remember which ones? Which
He
sequences?
keeps making fun of me most of the time,
Ajay,
and he keeps bullying me, by the way.
I don't. He's lying.
पर आपको याद है इन्होंने कौन से की कॉपी करी and you caught him maybe?
No, not really. But what I'm very happy is कि बचपन से not because of films or things like this.
Yeah.
इसको खुद ही शौक था. He's training in a lot of things. He works out on his own. He measures and calculates makes his own meals. In fact, decides his own meals. So he's very conscious like this. और ये मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि सिर्फ मैंने इंस्टिल किया. It has come from within.
Actually. So he's showing off his six-pack abs and going around the house?
Kind of, he does that.